In order to set up a facility to be used in the Jonas Activity Management Event Management Program, what you'll first need is a sales item set up to be used when that facility charge is billed. So in order to have a sales item from Jonas Point of Sale come into the Activity Management Program, what you'll first need is a category. So go to Point of Sale, System Setup, and then Sales Categories. In your list of sales categories, you should have one for Event Facilities. Choose that and ensure that under the Other Modules tab, the Activity Management category of Event Facility category is selected. So remember that sales category code and ensure that under Other Modules, Event Facility category is selected. Now you can set up your sales item. So go to Point of Sale, System Setup, and then Sales Items, and find your event items. You can see here, mine start with EV. Set up a new sales item by double-clicking Set up another sales item, and then key in your new sales item code. Give it a description, and the description is what you see on your sales reports. Then hit Enter, and the CHIT description is what would print on the receipt if you were to ever bill this outside of the Activity Management Program. Button description is if it was to be on a point of sale menu, and then you need to assign it a sales category, and the sales category is the one that is flagged as an event facility. You can key in a regular price here, or if you leave it at 0, you'll have to key in a regular price for every event. Hit OK to save it, and then you'll have to go into your Jonas Activity Management Program and run what we call an integration. So to run the integration, what you'll need to do is go to System Administration, and then Integration, and then use this little gear with the play button to start the import process and bring over your new sales item into your Activity Management Program. To add a new facility to be used in event management, what you'll need to do is go to your System Administration tab and then Facilities. From the list of facilities, choose New, and then key in the name of the facility you are looking to create. The next field, Display Name, is what will show up if you're looking at your event calendar from the facility view, and it usually has to be a shortened version of the full description of the facility. Display Sort means that if you have a number in there, that will display first, and every other facility will display in alphabetical order on the facility view. Gender restriction means that you can restrict this facility to male or female only for registration events. And then you need to choose a default sales area, and these default sales areas come from the core Jonas program, and they should line up with the ones that you have in your point of sale system. You do have some other checkboxes down at the bottom to allow multiple, which means that multiple events could be billed at this facility at the same time, and then a checkbox noting this facility as an outdoor facility. Once you have the general parameters set up, what you'll do is go to Event Management and check off that this facility can be reserved for events. You then need to choose what different activities or event types this can be reserved for. And in the next tab, what seating style are eligible for this facility. So these are the ones that you would have created. They're created under Event Management and then Seating Styles. Next tab is Tasks, and this is where you can note any tasks that should be defaulted when this facility is chosen. So if you are using the Tasks tab in the Event Setup, this is where you'd put in the tasks that would be automatically added to that tab when this facility is chosen. Then we have Activity Types. So what activity types would this facility be eligible for? And the last tab is Pricing. Pricing is where you choose what budget category the revenue from this facility should go to, what billing or POS item should be charged when this facility is billed, and what the default price is to rent this facility. This price can be overridden by event, but this would be the one that always populates when this facility is chosen. Say Save to save your facility, and then you can head into your Event Management Program, and you should see your facility listed as an option. So if we were to view by facility, for example, you can see all of my facilities here with my new one at the very end because it is sorted alphabetically. If I was going to create a new event, I would be able to choose this facility now to use with my events. So I'll head into an event setup. Under the Facilities tab, I should now be able to choose a second facility, the one I've just created.